Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reading Splat the Cat and the Snowy Day Surprise, based on the creation of Rob Scotland. One morning Splat woke up and everything outside was white. "It's snowing!" he cried. "Now I can make a snow cat." "Let's make the best snow cat ever," Splat said. "Bundle up nice and warm, Senor." "Are you ready, Senor?" Splat asked. "Senor, Senor!" "Stop messing around, Senor," said Splat. "Let's make a snow cat." "We'll need my sled to help us find the best snow," said Splat. "One of us should ride while the other one pushed," he suggested. "You pull first, Senor," said Splat. Senor pulled and pulled and pulled to the sled on top of the hill. Whoosh! Sploosh! "Well done, Senor. You found just the spot to build our snow cat," Splat smiled. Spike threw his last snowball. "Now it's our turn." Snowball as he threw his snowball. Whoa! Sploosh! "Well done, Senor. You found just the spot to build our snow cat," Splat smiled. Splat made a snowball and put his hat on it. "We are going to make the best snow cat ever," he exclaimed. "No way, Splat! I'm going to make the best snow cat ever," called Spike. Splat! 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 Spike threw his last snowball. "Now it's our turn," yelled Splat. He threw his snowball as hard as he could. But then the snowball started to roll and roll. Spike threw his last snowball. "Now it's our turn," yelled Splat. He threw his snowball as hard as he could and missed. The snowball flew high over Spike's head and landed at the top of the hill. "Ah!" said Splat. But then the snowball started to roll, and as it rolled, it got bigger. Rumble! Ah! Rumble! "Uh-oh," said Splat. "Run! Splat!" "Aha! Look at that, Senor!" Splat laughed. Spike did make the best snow cat ever after all. The end. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Bye.